Alrighty, since the Ford's all dickered over.
We'll work on the next best thing.
Something we can actually handle.
I need to put this thing up somehow. Yeah, you think your bearings had play?
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
They call me the tripod, but not for the reasons you think. Because I'm holding the camera.
With your hands.
Get your mind out of the gutter. Oh crap. Security police. Everybody act natural.
Okay. Yeah. I guess. I don't know.
So here we are working on a, what, a 2008?
Yeah, sure.
Traxxas Slash, two-wheel drive, brushless motor, electronic speed control, with the busted rear drive shaft. Be sure to chalk the wheels, because safety first. Oh, there we go. So, yeah. That's not supposed to do that. That's not supposed to be that way.
No idea what I'm doing.
That's okay.
Damn.
That's why we hired you at Boeing. Yes, that is Elvira singing in the background for those of you that can hear it. Way over there.
Didn't see that.
I think you could read it, but you could see it. That was the dramatic zoom.
Oh, got the drive shaft spinning now.
And then we're, of course, watching the B-spec on the Gran Turismo up there.
You ready for this?
Oh, here we go. Oh, the wheel fell off.
Yeah, Proline wheel.
Just one?
Just one. There's only two on the truck.
No, only two wheels on your whole truck?
They're pretty sweet looking though. With the new full drive tires.
Yeah.
BFG muds, or was there more?
Mud trains.
Crawler tires. Alright, how does all this dumb stuff come apart?
Good cover. Always, 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 when you work on a vehicle, have a cold beer at hand.
Stab myself.
The one and only Newcastle Brown Ale.
There's a close one.
You can't see. Move your damn hand.
I can't. I'm really gonna stab myself. Oh, there we go.
You done yet? We're 3 minutes into this video already.
Almost there. Might be a long video. Or a two-part.
Oh crap.
You gotta edit.
I haven't played around with that yet.
Yeah. Next I got to get away. Of course the tools you bought me suck.
Hey, what do you expect? They were like $8 from eBay.
Oh wait, this one fits. They're good tools.
They're nice looking tools, though, huh?
They're good quality.
Skya.
It just doesn't have quite all the sizes.
Oh, this is the H2.0.
X2mm.
Yeah, H2.0. See, instead of H2O,
Oh,
it's H2.0. See, that was...
It's like the next generation of water.
Yes, yes. Water .0 or something like that, I don't know.
Clean out this bolt head.
All over my coffee table. Kitty.
I'll get a nice one, I'm glad.
Otherwise, Kevin wouldn't have an arm right now.
Sometimes I forget. We'll fix that later. Alright, let's see if we can get this up. Oh, yeah.
So while Kevin's goofing off there, we'll talk about the Ford.
Got a cracked block.
Cracked block, cracked engine block.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's all there is to
Yay,
know.
Ford. Yeah.
I'm so happy that happened. Just Real.
So we may have two, count them, two possibilities for replacement.
Might have a whole damn truck.
Might have a whole damn truck. He's asking $1,000 front end damage and frame damage. Kevin emailed him, said we want just the motor, but if he'll let the whole truck go for $400. But try to see if we can snag a motor for $300. One dude called. He hasn't given a price, but the motor's got a. It's a rebuild with 25,000 on it. So we'll have to give her a whirl and try and give him a call in the morning. This is good YouTube music. Good thing I turned it down. For corn.
Yeah, that's what he's saying. Corn.
Corn, corn, corn. Yes.
Now, this guy needs to come out. That's the good side I'm changing out too, right now.
For corn. Sorry.
Corn. Come on, you're coming.
Six minutes of sitting here just watching you turn wrenches.
This is just fun. Oh, all the,
There we go.
everything's getting rusty on this thing.
61 Ford, yeah.
What about this guy? How do I get that end out?
I don't know.
Little tiny touch screw. Little tiny touch screw. Woohoo! For corn. That's probably. Oh wow, that's actually the same.
They don't look at corn on the internet. What? Nice tire. Cheesy tire. I'm just making fun of your front tires. Uh-oh. Crunched up Crown Vic. Oh man, you ran over the front of the Vic over there. Busted it all up. Jeez.
Another part. Let's see. Oh god. Just like.
I know this isn't a real good video for showing what's being done because Kevin keeps putting his hand in the way.
Well, there's not much to really look at here. Well, here, you want to look? Check it out. Yeah, see how
Okay.
I can play with this. Yeah, I took the screw out of there, a little set screw. Woohoo! Now I gotta pop that hub off of there. Maybe it's called a hub, I don't know.
RC stuff, it's probably a, you know, something that stands for hub, but, you know, not the same. I don't know.
Oh, look, it came out.
Oh, geez.
Man, I don't want to worry about that.
Here we are goofing around at 10:19 in the evening, 10:15 in the evening. There you go. And it's April 9th, 47.8 degrees outside. 69.8 inside. Yeah.
This looks.
Yeehaw!
Bearing that's just not coming out.
What should you do? Weld it all together?
It's just rusty at it. Woo! Woo!
Didn't put any penetrating oil on that, huh?
No. No, she's had some service. She put in a couple miles, literally probably.
Oh, nice. Grooved, worn. Although you don't feel a whole lot there. Yeah, a little bit of a high spot.
Yeah, that's alright.
But this is one being replaced anyway, so.
Wear on the little slip shaft that goes on the inside.
All the dirt and crud and everything.
Yeah, these are the new ones. Check those out yet?
Not yet.
Yeah, buddy.
All metal.
Got little CVs in there. Woo! Oh yeah. The little dog bone on the stock end.
Corn.
More corn. Don't have a flat spot, huh? So it's all set screw. Oh, I need to put
Loctite?
Loctite.
Do you have some? Got a little bit left from my axial.
Looks like I need yours.
Okay, let's go up and get some. There's the axial. Got a radio coming for that. Let's see if we can find it here. Somewhere. Oh, there it is. Like I said, it's just a little bit. Lucky all you need is a little bit.
4 little tiny screws.
You need or you have?
I have 4 little screws. What do I do with my tool I was using?
I don't know. You sitting on it?
It's the one I'm missing. What's that one? You see anything?
It's not standing out. What the heck did you do with it?
There it is in the bottom of my toolbox already.
Way to go.
Interesting.
11 minutes into this thing.
It's gonna be a good one.
Just for that board. We were hoping to have a whole bunch of movies today.
Ford movies?
Ford movies. And it's supposed to be pouring down rain tomorrow.
Ford.
Luckily, I got a whole bunch of Fords on the tabletop here. Yeah, bunch of Crown Vics. Got a taxi down there. And the hole's torn out away at the end. Here's my 2-wheel drive. Here's your kitty cat. Way under the table watching us. Oh, it's not wanting to flare. Kind of focus. Happy kitty. She's like, yeah, whatever.
Which one?
Oh, hey, we're about to finish the race.
Don't show them how much money we make on this.
Oh, I won't. I won't. "36 out of 37 laps completed. We got just a little bit of fuel left way up there. If it'll focus, there it is. Hopefully we got enough to make it. And he's not pitting yet. We need an oil change though. Oil lights on.
This is one hell of a video. See, put the new piece on. Just gotta tighten down the set screws.
Right there. Okay, 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 okay. Good close up of your hand.
Yeah, that's gonna be a good one.
Is it?
Kind of impeding me. Okay. That's a broken one, so that's not gonna do anything. Oh. No, won't break there either. Oh, just go manual. Oh. Yeah, buddy.
Hurry up, arm getting tired. Camera heavy.
Sure is loose in there. I don't really like that so much.
You wearing out the insides of your transmission now?
I think there's bearings in there. Maybe those are shot too. Who knows?
You need a full bearing kit.
Jesus, man.
Don't blaspheme on YouTube.
Huh?
Don't blaspheme on YouTube.
Okay.
You can say "Holy Christmas Tree."
Holy Christmas tree. I'm gonna put.
I'm with everybody else watching this video, kind of wishing you'd hurry up.
Maybe you should have done time lapse.
Yeah, we could do that for the other side. I got my little tripod.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, while he's goofing off, let's have a commercial interlude here. Brought to you by the Wagon Queen Family Truckster. If you think you hit it now, wait till you drive it. And back to our programming. You done? You look lost. You're the mechanic. You're supposed to know all about this stuff.
Just thinking.
Oh, crap. Knock that off. I thought I smelled something burning. Where'd you get? Booze.
Gotta slow my brain down a little bit.
That ain't gonna be hard. Hey, look, we won! Woohoo! First place. Oh yeah, that's our driver's name.
Make a choo-chit.
Hey, that would have been a good name. What did we get? Huh? What did we get? I'm gonna show them. No!
Oh, we got second?
No, first.
Oh, this is a different race.
Yeah, 73,000 credits.
Sweet. What is it? 1.3 inspect B only.
Do what?
Oh no, we bought that damn car. So
Yeah, we bought the car.
The darn car.
The darn car. Gosh darn it, son of a gun.
Stupid.
Snickerdoodles.
Stupid.
Oh, sugar.
That's where the cuts.
Fudge pop.
You got it. Probably need some pliers. Cause I gotta get some, roll pins in here.
Oh, little sleepy kitty cat. Oh. Put your head down.
I'm tired and pissed off.
Go to sleep. Put your head back down. There you go. Oh, happy kitty. Now go step on her tail or something. Yeah, just rather than. I may not have pliers in here. I may all be out in the garage. I got wire cutters.
No.
You want like needle nose or something?
Channel locks or normal pliers.
Okay. Where did I put the keys? Let's go for a walk. We'll take the YouTube with us. It's getting late. Dark. Nighttime. Saturday. Woohoo! Oldsmobile. So pliers. I wanted channel locks. I wonder if those are too big. There's little itty bitty ones here. Let's grab some needle nose too. What the heck? What the heck, huh? Okay, lights off. I know this is real exciting. Typical video from Brian. Hee 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 hee. We're spying on him. Do-do-do-do-do. I brought you pliers. A gift from me to you. An assortment of plying devices.
With all the needle nose.
For your
Never said needle nose.
Well, yeah, so, you take what you're gonna get, all right?
Required.
Fine. We're going on 18 minutes here, you know. Uh-oh, you started another race. You didn't change the oil.
Oh shit, I mean, gosh darn it didn't.
37 laps on old oil again? Are you nuts, man? You're supposed to be the mechanic.
Do what you gotta do.
Pit! Need an oil change, stat. Anybody ever see this one? I picked it up today at Fred Meyer's. It was on sale. It's like, yeah, what the heck.
Okay. Does this even fit?
I don't know, but I sure wish you'd hurry up and get this over with so we can shut the camera off.
It's not my fault nothing fits on this stupid
Darn thing.
You gotta watch my mouth.
Hell yeah. I mean, heck yeah. You too.
See if we can get it to pop in.
Crooked.
Nice tight fit. There it goes.
Little wobbly there.
What?
I can see it on the camera. It's not 100% lined up. Uh-huh.
Let's see.
That's what you get for a dealership mechanic. Hey, cats.
This is aftermarket. I don't deal with aftermarket.
Oh, okay.
We'll straighten it all out.
Yeah, we're watching you guys. Oh, she's stuck.
What? Kitty.
Belle's stuck to the chair. Oh, she's unstuck. Ripping off the...
She ripped the chair off.
Yeah. That's okay. That fabric on that chair is probably older than you and I combined. Actually, I think that was probably done in the late 70s, early 80s. Kind of has that look to it. Yeah, classic. Huh? But it's better than the original, which is that orange. But with cat damage on the corner.
Have to redo it.
Yep. She going after the ball?
Probably. There we go. There's one.
One down. Alrighty, I can shut the camera off now. Oh, she's going after the power cord.
Well, that's good.
Okay, we'll do a time lapse on the next one. That'll be fun.